Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this nail kit, but let's get right into this. So this is a complete gel nail set. It's everything that you'll need to do your gel nails. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put a picture right here. So that's everything that comes in here, which is crazy, especially for the price. I think this is outstanding. This is a great gift idea. So it already comes kind of gifty, as you can see, with all these little worms in here. So let's go ahead and start pulling everything that it has out. First of all, it comes with this right here, which are color wheels so that you can test out the colors before applying them to see if you like them or not. So this is some colors. Let me go ahead and show you all the colors it comes with. So you're gonna have all these colors, and this is about the size of the colors. It comes with all of this stuff, which is just your nail accessories. It comes with some files, pretty nice. Some toe separators, which are a must-have with me because I have my toes do cross. Some stickers, which are absolutely adorable. I really love those. So these are tip guides. This is great for pushing back your nails and stuff. It has a cuticle remover, some little gold strip things, nail oil, tweezers for putting your jewels on, some little diamonds and stuff, like nail art, and a little scrubber brush, and this for pushing back your cuticles and stuff as well. So it comes with your UV light for setting your nail polish, which is amazing. Some more little nail art stuff. It comes with a nail drill. You're doing like acrylics. It has all these different attachments. And then this is what the nail drill itself looks like. Comes with a plug and everything. And then it comes with all of these different colors. So it has all of these colors right there. That's the next box. That's the next box. That's the next box. This is the next box. So this is that other color that didn't have the name on it. That's the next set. 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 We got one more set. So this one has your gel polish remover. This is your gel nail polish. It has like a silver. It has your top coat, your matte top coat, base coat, and then top coat. So everything that you will need. And then it has this little magnet for magnetic nail polishes. This is how many polishes itself. This is just the polishes that it comes with. Crazy. Let's go ahead and see how they work though. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.